Do you have students who leave school early or come late and you don't want the batch scheduler to schedule those students into certain periods? Well, let me show you a trick on how you can get that accomplished. It's pretty simple. I have a student, Earl Arnold, in context, and he has an early dismissal. He's a senior, along with 5 other seniors that get out at period 9 so they don't have to go period 10. So here's the easiest way I know how to do that. In the cheater, I'm going to type the 2 words ad hoc, and it's going to show up some search results and pick the first one, ad hoc memberships, and I'm going to create an ad hoc membership of these 5 students or 6 students. These are seniors with early dismissal. I'm going to use the additional tab to pull seniors and just click the blue search. And I'm going to pick Earl Arnold, and then I'll just randomly pick 5 more. So I have a total of 6. The trick to making an ad hoc is you have to remember to come down here and click the green add selected students, and then click the blue save. If you forget either of those steps, you never created your ad hoc, and then you have to start all over. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to type in the cheater courses, and in the search results that I get back, I'm going to pick the 4th one. It takes me to course maintenance, and I want to add a course, and I'm going to call it ED for early dismissal. It has 0 hours of instructions. Its priority is a 1, and on the, oops, I forgot to give it a short name. Darn it. Okay, early this. Then on the marks tab, going to make sure it's not in honor roll, not in credits, not in GPA. On miscellaneous, I'm going to say any of the high school grade levels can use it, although it's typically for the 12th. And I'm going to make it a spare, so it doesn't show up on the student's marked page, and it doesn't show up for the teacher to give grades to. On the EMIS tab, I want to make sure it is not report to EMIS, and then I can save. Now I want to add a section. So I'm going to click on my breadcrumb and go to course sections, and I'm going to add a new section for this class. And since it's period 10, I'm going to name it section 10. That's how I keep my course section straight. Its capacity, I only have 6 kids, but I'm going to say 25 just in case. And this is all year that these students have an early dismissal. On the meeting times tab, I have a teacher in here. Name is not applicable. And there it is. Location, I'm just going to pick any room, and then I want it period 10, and I'm going to save. Finally, I'm going to go to the bulk assign page. So I type bulk space ASS in the cheater, and that takes me to my choices, and it is the 5th one down, the bulk assign page. I want to do by ad hoc membership, and I search for my ad hoc, and I click this green create new list. Here are my 6 students that have that early dismissal that I want to give this class to. So I type in the class, and it is section 10, and I click the add the section. So there's that early dismissal, section 10. Click next, and I just click the blue assign. Now, when I go back to Earl's course section assignments page, he has an assignment for 10th period, and now when the batch scheduler runs, it's not going to give him a class in 10th period because it sees that he's already scheduled. So hopefully this helps you. If you have students, you could create a course for late start, call it LS, and maybe some students got out periods 9 and 10, so you could make another early dismissal section, so call it section 9-1 for periods 9 and 10. And then you could assign that to those students. The possibilities are endless. If you have questions, don't hesitate to send us a help desk ticket. Thanks.